Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to withdraw your X Empire token to your Bybit exchange wallet. How to use your Bybit wallet to withdraw your X Empire token. That's what today's video is all about. So the first thing you need to have is to have a Bybit exchange wallet. If you don't have one, you need to create one. Then the next thing you're going to do is to go to your Telegram and open your X Empire. Then you choose a wallet you are going to use to withdraw your token, which is Bybit Exchange. Click on Bybit Exchange. If you click on Bybit Exchange, they will ask you if you want to create a Bybit account or you already have a Bybit account. Then click on yes, you have a Bybit account. Then the next thing you'll be needing to withdraw your token to your Bybit is your Bybit UID, your X Empire deposit address, and your memo. So how to get your Bybit UID is you're going to get it from your Bybit wallet. Then go to your Bybit wallet. That's the first thing you need, your Bybit UID. Go to your Bybit wallet. If you go to your Bybit wallet, how to get your UID is that you click on your profile. Click on your profile. Then after clicking on your profile, you will see your Bybit UID. That is where you are going to see it. Then after that, you are going to copy the Bybit UID. It's up there. Your Bybit UID is up there. It's below your Gmail. Yes, just click on the UID number. After that, you go back to your X Empire. Go back to your X Empire. Then paste your Bybit UID there. Yes. Then after that, you'll be needing your X Empire deposit address, which you are going to get it from your Bybit wallet. Go to your Bybit. If you go to your Bybit, you click on assets. Click on assets is down below. If you click on assets, you click on your deposit. Click on deposit. After clicking on assets, you further click on deposit. Then after that, the next thing you are going to click is to click on deposit crypto. That's where you are going to see your X Empire deposit address. So if X Empire is distributing the token, they will distribute it to your X Empire wallet address. So after that, you are going to search for X Empire because that is the deposit address you need. You can click on the search bar up there and type X Empire. Then it will pop out, or you just search it. Once you see X Empire, you click on X Empire. Click on X Empire. That is it. Then after clicking on the X Empire, after clicking on X Empire, the next thing you are going to do is to click on turn. Yes, click on turn, TON. That's where, after clicking on turn, that's where you are going to see your X Empire deposit address and your memo. Okay, up there is your X Empire wallet address. Wallet address. Click on your X Empire wallet address. Then after clicking on it, you will go back to your X Empire. Click on your wallet address and go back to your X Empire. Then paste it on X Empire deposit address, because when X Empire depositing token, that's the address your token is going to drop. So the next thing is your memo. Okay, then the next is to click on the tag, that is your memo. After your wallet address is your memo. Click on the number. Then after clicking on it, you go to your X Empire and paste your memo there. Paste it on the memo. Then after pasting it there, you click on save and choose. That is all about it. You automatically pasted your Bybit UID, your X Empire deposit address, and your memo. So when they are distributing the token, it will enter your Bybit exchange wallet. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more incredible videos. Thank you.